Okay, welcome once again to this channel. This is another solid again. So we're going to search for surface area to find the surface area of the sphere below. This is a sphere. This is not a circle. Okay, a circle is a two-dimension. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure. So know how to differentiate. So, like for example, a football is a sphere and not a circle. Okay, spherical shape. So area of a sphere is much easier to understand. Is given by 4 pi r squared. So in case you're searching for the area of the sphere, so this being our radius, then it's very easy to find the area of the sphere. So 4 times 22/7 times 3.5 squared. Okay, so let's see how much it gives us. 4 times 22/7 times 3.5 squared is going to give you an area of 154 centimeter square. It's a very short video so that you can, and it's very easy to know how to calculate area of a sphere. Now let's go and search for the area of a hemisphere. Now what if you've been asked to find the area of a hemisphere? Now area of a hemisphere is a half of the area of a sphere, so which is a half times 4 pi r squared. So if you check a half times 4 is going to be 2 pi r squared. And therefore area of a hemisphere is given by 2 pi r squared. Very easy. So the same formula. So 2 times 22/7 times r squared, 5.6 squared, or times 5.6. Let's see how much it gives you. So 2 times 22/7 times 5.6 squared, or it gives you 197.12 centimeters square. But we can also use the pi, the normal pi. That is, we can use 2 times pi times 5.6 squared. Let's see if it gives you a different answer. It's going to give you 2 times pi times 5.6 squared. It's going to give you 197.04. So it's a very, very minimum difference. Okay, so you can use pi, the normal pi, on your calculator, or you can use pi as 22/7 or 3.142, whichever pi. But most probably, because KJSEA, they will instruct you to use the normal pi on your calculator. But all in all, this is your answer. This also can be your answer. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and also be very, very not escape yan. Utapata video ingine after hii pia on volumes. But for now, let me say bye bye. Tamam.